Hello and welcome back to DIY and Learn. Today I'm going to show you how to make this giant butterfly. This butterfly has a wingspan of 20 inches and fully customizable to your liking. First, the materials that I used are scissors, tape, a printer, cardboard, masking tape, and your choice of colored paints. The next thing I did was go to Facebook and I used this creator's template that they had, and I saved each photo to my phone and I printed it. After printing out each part, I lay it out on the floor to assemble the butterfly. Then I cut off the excess paper and tape the parts together. When taping it together, it is best to try to align each part as best you can so the butterfly comes together seamlessly. When that is finished, I place it on top of a large piece of cardboard. The bigger the piece of cardboard, the better, so that way you have less divots or creases in the butterfly, and it remains more structurally sound. When doing this, feel free to ask a friend or your partner. I asked my husband to help me with this because it does get exhausting to cut a lot of cardboard for a long time. And I was 6 months pregnant whenever I was making this. Next, after the butterfly is fully cut out, tape the edges so that way you have clean, crisp lines on the edge of your creation instead of the open cardboard. I recommend trying your best to keep the tape as flat as possible, and it will look really good when you paint over it. You can decorate and paint your butterfly any way you like, but the way that I did it was I did a gradient from dark purple to light purple, going from the bottom to top. First creating my darker shade and then adding white a little bit every time as I moved up, and then blending it together as I went along. It is best not to paint too heavy over top the cardboard because it is an absorbent material that will take your paint, so it is good to do a light layer. Being sure to paint the sides and the different corners of the butterfly. Trying not to miss anything. When I was done with that, I did go with gold paint over the edges just to add more detail. When I was done with that, I went in with pink paint to create the detail of the wings. There are so many beautiful images online that you can look and reference to see how you would like to set the butterfly wings to be. I had so much fun creating this butterfly, and I used it for my baby shower, and after that I put it into the baby's room. And there's so many different ways to get creative with it. And this is the final reveal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.